Hey guys, how's it going? How to explore the trending video effect on PIKA AI. First of all, go ahead and open it up, and you're gonna be able right here to see the trending effect right here. So for example, this one, you'll be able right here to see it. You can click try now and add your own picture, for example, or own video. So for example, this one, and then select the effect. Right, if you want to tear it, poke it, peel it, squash it, whatever that might be for you, you could just go ahead and select the filter and then or effect, and then hit generate. And of course, you're gonna wait for a few moments, so it's gonna take a while until they upload. You're gonna be able right here to see, if you click to your profile at the bottom right, it will take a time, but basically you get the gist. Go ahead and select any of the trendy video effect, and then start creating your own video. As you can see right here, you'll be able to see many other features or many other effects that you can implement to your videos. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.